Alright, today we're actually going to be bringing you one of my favorite recipes, chocolate chip cookies. So these ones are made with dark chocolate chips, but you can choose any vegan chocolate you like and throw it in there. Okay, before we start doing anything, we want to make sure our oven is preheated. So go ahead and look in the description below, check out the temperature, and set your oven to the appropriate temperature in either Fahrenheit or Celsius, depending on where you are. So the first thing we're going to do is take all of our dry ingredients and put them in a big mixing bowl. So we're going to take our white flour, we're going to take our wholemeal flour, we're going to do the baking soda, we're going to do the brown sugar, we're going to do the white sugar, and we're going to mix it all together. Alright, once all of our dry ingredients are mixed together in the bowl, we're ready to go ahead and add our wet ingredients. So we can now put in our plant-based milk, add our olive oil, add our vanilla extract. If you find that when you're working the batter it still seems to be a little bit dry, that's okay. Go ahead and add in an extra tablespoon of your plant-based milk and maybe a touch of oil. Perfect. Now that all our ingredients are mixed together in the bowl, we're just going to start working that batter. So go ahead, dive your hands in there, don't be afraid to get dirty, mix it all up, roll it into a nice big ball, and then start tearing off about bite-sized chunks in rolling up your cookies. Now this particular recipe is going to yield about 9 to 10 cookies, but if you want more, you can always double it up. Now that we have our cookies all lined up on our tray, go ahead and pop those in the oven. Set your timer for about 8 to 10 minutes, and if you like, go ahead and check it halfway and maybe give them a twist. That's it, you're done. Easy, 10-minute, vegan chocolate chip cookies. Pull them out of the oven, let them rest for a minute or two, and of course, enjoy. Thank you everybody for watching today's video. We do hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. And if you have anything you'd like to see us do in the future or a recipe you're not quite sure how to make, definitely pop it in the comments below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.